Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find dupes of popular products on Temu. Let's get started. First, use smart search terms. Instead of brand names, use generic keywords or descriptions. For example, instead of AirPods, search wireless earbuds with case. Other sample, instead of Dyson hair dryer, try high-speed ionic hair dryer. You can also use the image search tool. Tap the camera icon in the search bar, upload a photo or screenshot of the branded item. Temu will show similar looking products. Once you find similar items, filter by 4.5 stars and up, verified reviews with photos, read what buyers say about function, look, and durability. Check seller descriptions carefully. Dupes often won't mention brand names but check for material match, dimension that match the original, packaging photos uploaded by users. Compare prices wisely. A dupe should be 30 to 80% cheaper than the original. If it's suspiciously cheap, read reviews to confirm it's not a scam or low quality item. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.